Hi, this is page 1 of the practice exam, and it is kind of fun, right? Yes. You know, the charge on the iron was 3 plus, so the 3 goes there. The charge on the sulfate was 2 minus, the 2 goes over there. You remember? Phosphoric acid, it ends in ic, so that means it has phosphate in it. Now, phosphate is a 3 minus ion. That means it needs 3 hydrogens to make the acid. Ends in ic, that means it's sulfate. Sulfate is a 2 minus ion. That means it needs 2 hydrogens for the acid. Potassium, chloride. Sodium, iodide. Cadmium, sulfide. Sulfide is 2 minus. Cadmium is 2 plus. So we are good. Nitrogen, dioxide. Carbon monoxide. Disulfur trioxide. Hydro, that means there's just one other, it means there's no oxygen. So fluoric, there's fluoride, hydrofluoric acid. Hydro means there's no oxygen. Okay, there it is. Now what about these single replacement reactions here? So this is the iodine, that's pink. That's the iodine. And this is the bromine. It's orange. This is the chlorine. For us, it was colorless. Actually, I think chlorine is supposed to be green, but we didn't have enough chlorine, so you couldn't see it. Anyways, any two of these chemicals. Okay, so here there was chlorine, so that's one of them. And then I had to add something to make it iodine. Where could I get the iodine? Well, you can get the iodine from iodide, just like that. See this? This is I minus, you know? It's like I minus, you know, that? So there's an extra electron here. But chlorine is more electronegative than iodine, so it will steal that electron. And then what you get? You get iodine, and that's pink. And chloride. Okay, there it is. That's pink. That's iodine. Okay, you see how it's done? You can review the lab for this, the single replacement lab, or you can just send me an email, ask me a question, and maybe I can send you some other video to assist your understanding. Okay, this is bromine up there. So that means there's bromine here. How do I get iodine? Oh, well, it must be this. Bromine is, let me show you. Oops, sorry. Yes. Bromine, you can see bromine is higher than iodine on the periodic table. For nonmetals, the higher you are in the column, the more electronegative you are. Meaning, if you're a nonmetal, the more reactive you are. Okay. But I didn't balance this, did I? Sorry. Now it's balanced. So that wouldn't be correct, you know? Without balancing, you must have it balanced. There it is, balanced. Okay? Sorry about that. Ooh, look. We made bromine, not bromide, that's bromine. And we had chlorine. We had chlorine in there. Do you really get a reaction here, though? Sorry about that. Okay. Yes, you do get a reaction because chlorine is higher than bromine in this group on the periodic table. Okay. Good. Least reactive to most reactive. It is just a matter of looking at the periodic table, you know? Cl is most, Br is less, I is the least of those 3. Cl is most, Br is less, I is the least of those 3. Next problem. Okay, that was page 1. So what do I do here? I must stop the video. Yes.